Welcome to MyBinding.com. The official NFL staplers by Swingline take supporting your team to a new level of professionalism.
It's a New York's Giants stapler!
It's like a normal Swingline 747 stapler.
Go Giants! Yeah!
To load staples, lift the top cover and insert your staples. Then bring the cover back down.
Go, 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 go!
It takes standard 1/4 inch staples.
Yeah!
Push the back tab on the bottom to open the stapler so you can tack pages to the wall.
Touchdown! Woo!
Like the 747, it staples up to 25 sheets of paper at a time. You can even rotate the staple pad for an extruding staple pattern.
But it's a giant stapler! Yeah!